Hi, I'm Jeff Ladd, co-creator of YouTube channel with Kilroy. Anyway, I'm gonna put this thing in here. You can see why. It's the inside of it. Top a little grimy because my dad's house, and he had a tree fell on this thing for 10 months or 11. So we'll put that in there. So, okay. Here, let's see. Top right there. So I'm going to get it open. I got the sticker off. There's the top of it right there. So I'm gonna throw this away. Back in a minute. Okay. Throw that away. Okay, there. Okay. Stuck it in there. Okay. Let's see. See how this goes. That's me moving it. So let's start this. Plug it up. There's a sink over there. So I'm going to start this. This works. Okay, I'm gonna wait till this gets through. Maybe a second part to this, and so see ya.